Hi, I hope you guys are doing well today. So if you're watching this video, then that means you have a smidge bit interest in starting a YouTube channel, or maybe you have your channel created already, but you just don't know if you're ready to start uploading videos. Like you're just waiting for a sign or the quote-unquote right time. Here I am as your sign. Hi, hello, I'm Rukiya, nice to meet you. I'm here to tell you to start that channel today. You need to stop procrastinating and just do it.
Do it! Just do it!
So in this video, I'm going to be going over the top 4 excuses that I hear from someone who wants to start creating YouTube content, and I just want to be here to help motivate you guys to get over those excuses and just push you to just start. But before we begin, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 10K by the end of this year, so if you guys could subscribe, that'd be much appreciated. And if you could share this video to anyone that you think should start a YouTube channel, send them this video to really just help motivate them to start it. My socials will be linked down below, my art Instagram and my main Instagram. Those are the best places to contact me if you have any questions, concerns, and you want to DM me privately. So let's just get right into this video. The first excuse that I hear a lot is, I don't know how to start. I feel like this is the easiest excuse that you can overcome. Like, just sign up to YouTube. Just like any other social media platform, if you go up to the top right corner, I think, you just hit that sign up button and you create your account. And when you create your YouTube account, you'll instantly have a YouTube channel. And when you create that channel, make sure it's a name that you're not embarrassed to use and that's not hard to type out. And when you create your channel, you're gonna have to personalize it. So you have to create a little, what's it called? Wall art? Wall banner. Channel banner. That's what it is. Channel banner. Boom. 10 points.
See, I'm telling you, I have the mind of a I have the mind of a mastermind. What's that? I don't know.
So pretty much a banner is where your name is. It's kind of personalized to your aesthetic and your vibe of the channel. And you're also gonna upload an image. I just have an image of myself, but you can put an image of anything that you want, anything related to your channel, anything that makes you happy. Just put anything there. If you want, you can even put a white screen as your profile picture. So yeah, so that's how you start your YouTube channel. And once your YouTube channel is created, you then upload videos. And we now go into the next excuse that a lot of people use is, I don't have the best equipment. And let me tell you, you don't need the best equipment. You can literally just start off with the bare minimum. As long as we can see you and hear you, that's all you need in your videos. So for a camera, a lot of YouTubers use like DSLR cameras. I personally use a mirrorless camera, which is the Canon M50, because it's lightweight and it's more compact. You don't need a camera, like a Canon camera or a Sony camera or anything. You can honestly just use your phone. And if anything, the cameras on today's smartphones are kind of at the same level as like DSLR cameras. And you don't need to get high-tech lighting. Like right now I'm using LED lighting because it is 1 a.m. right now. So you don't need artificial lighting. Use a lamp. So I recommend just getting a lamp. This is a lamp that I have in my room. Unscrew the shade, plug it in, turn it on, and boom, you have artificial lights. Light bulbs like this isn't gonna be as good as LED lights. However, it is something. So if you have 2 or 3 or best 4 lamps like this, you're solid. Just have one on either side of you, one behind you, and then one in front of you, and you'll be lit all around. But if you do have good natural lighting, then just use the natural lighting. However, if you don't, then use lamps. For tripods, I have multiple different tripods. I will actually link down below my Amazon filming equipment video that I did. All the equipment that I use is in that video and linked, so if you want to check that out. When I started my YouTube channel, I did not use a tripod because I just didn't have the money for a tripod. I would literally stack books and boxes on top of each other and then put an object behind my camera to hold it up. But if you do want to get a tripod, I recommend just getting any from like Amazon or Walmart. You can get super affordable ones for like under $20. And then for editing, if you are filming on your phone, there are a lot of video editing apps that will upload straight to YouTube, which is very convenient. They don't have a lot of editing abilities as you would get on a desktop. Most of them are free and it is what it is. Like, you gotta work with what you got, and really you don't need to do like a whole bunch of edits. Yeah, so that's all you really need for filming equipment. Obviously, the more consistent you get at posting and the bigger your channel gets, then you can start to upgrade your filming equipment. But starting off, you really don't need to buy all this expensive filming equipment. So once you figure out what you're filming with, what your setup is, the next excuse I hear is, I don't know what to upload or like what kind of videos to make. I recommend just starting with what you're passionate about, because if you're passionate about something, it'll be easier for you to talk about. There's a community for everything on YouTube, so I recommend finding that community that you relate to a lot, seeing what kind of videos they upload, and just like upload those kinds of videos. What I like to do is I'll go to my favorite YouTubers that are doing well on YouTube and see their most popular videos, and I just like kind of take some inspiration from those videos. I recommend you guys make a script when you're creating videos. It'll just help you to not ramble so much, and it'll help you to not forget any important points that you want to say in your video. Now for the last and final excuse is they will say, I don't want to be judged by others or people I know. It is really hard making a YouTube channel and putting yourself out there to the world. You're putting yourself out there to be judged by people you know in real life and people you don't know. People you know can easily stumble across your videos. People you went to school with, people you work with, any and everyone can see your videos and either support it and love it or judge you. And that's something that I really struggled with a lot, especially since when I first started making videos, I was around 13, 14, so I was in middle school, and people in middle school are very judgmental, like super judgmental. I really tried my best to keep my videos low-key and like secretive. But sooner or later, people at my school found my videos, and a lot of people loved it and supported me, and a lot of people really judged me. They were like, oh, Rukiya thinks she's a YouTuber. Like, look at these YouTube videos. Like, she thinks she's that girl. She thinks she's something. And like, I really let that get to me, because especially when I was younger, I was very insecure. That's kind of why I feel as though my channel isn't bigger than it is, because I let what people say and think get to me so much that it stopped me from posting consistently on my channel, because I just let people's thoughts and opinions of what I'm doing prevent me from putting my all into it. And let me just tell you, it's not worth it. It's really not worth letting people who don't care about you, who really don't want to see you succeed, get to you. Just really try to ignore what they say, because if they judge you for doing something that you enjoy doing and really want to do, then they obviously don't care about you, so don't care about them. Just ignore them, keep doing you, and when you succeed, they'll then want to like talk to you and be like, oh my gosh, I was there for you since day one. It's like, no, you weren't, sis. Stop with that fake-ish. For people you don't know, like the trolls that try to like hop up on your videos and comment some mean stuff, you can either A, ignore it and laugh at it, B, delete it. Like, just delete the negative comments. But yeah, that's all really for my advice on why you should start your YouTube channel right now, and stop procrastinating, stop doubting yourself, stop second guessing, stop waiting for the right moment, because the right moment is right now. Create your channel, make your channel banner, start recording that video and upload it. Just upload it. Who cares if it's bad? Just upload it, and you'll learn from the bad videos and just grow and do better and create better content. If you made it this far in the video, please comment down below the sparkle emoji so I know you made it this far and you're loyal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, once again, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video to someone that you think needs this video right now. I'm gonna get going. I hope you guys are doing well. Take care, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.